With a major development in the race for a COVID-19 vaccine. Today, Moderna became the second company to apply to the FDA for emergency use authorization. This means more encouraging vaccine news is on the horizon for us here locally. New at 6, Fox 12's BRENNA Kelly has a look at vaccine plans in Oregon and Washington, as both states expect to receive and start administering them in just a couple of weeks.
Tens of thousands of Pfizer vaccine doses are expected in both states, Oregon and Washington, by mid-December, and other companies like Moderna could be close behind.
For us as a society to get out of this epidemic, many of us agree that a vaccine is going to be a critical piece.
Washington and Oregon state health departments are preparing for the first COVID-19 vaccine doses to arrive. But it all depends on whether the FDA will grant emergency approval to Pfizer. If it does, this first version of the vaccine will undergo another layer of scrutiny to be reviewed by health experts along the West Coast before the vaccine is distributed. The Oregon Health Authority anticipates 35,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine by December 15th. By December 29th, another nearly 53,000. Going forward, the OHA anticipates weekly shipments of Pfizer's vaccine, but they don't know how many yet. The first phase of distribution in Oregon will include all healthcare workers, about 290,000 of them, including support staff. Remember, there are at least 3 more vaccine makers currently working to deliver their versions as well.
We wouldn't want to invest everything in just one vaccine product and then end up half a year down the road with no alternatives and discover that some group has been left behind and won't be well protected by the vaccine. Having multiple options is very, very important.
Washington State Department of Health officials say they're hopeful they'll begin administering a vaccine by mid-December. Its first phase will also include high-risk workers in healthcare settings. Washington's initial allocation is an estimated 62,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine and another 138,000 by the end of the year. It expects weekly shipments to begin in January. Meanwhile, neither state knows from Moderna how many doses it'll receive or when they'll ship. Governor Jay Inslee says the state needs many more providers to sign up by December 6th to be eligible to receive part of the first shipment.
Tomorrow, an advisory panel to the CDC is expected to meet and weigh in on which group should receive the COVID-19 vaccine first. However, that decision is still up to the individual states. Reporting in Portland, BRENNA Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.